Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to block ads from any Samsung device. If you are using a Samsung device and now you want to disable ads from your device, so let's see how can you do it. First, you just have to open your phone settings, and settings just scroll down and look for Google. Here's that, just tap on it. Here you just have to select all services, and here just scroll down and look for ads. Here's that, just tap on it, and here you have the option of delete advertising ID. Tap on it and then tap on delete advertising ID. After doing this, just go back, and here you have the option of usage and diagnostics. Just tap on it, and here you can see I have enabled it. You just have to disable this setting. Just tap on it, just like that, and now you have successfully blocked or disabled ads from your Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.